Hello everybody, and welcome to another edition of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I'm here with my family at the Smoky Mountains National Park today. Yes, we've been here before about a month ago, but my youngest son has a soccer tournament, and so we came out and we're near the trails, and so I decided to get up before sunrise and hike out here. I looked around, found the trail to the Laurel Falls waterfall. It's about 2.5, 3 miles. I don't know if I've been here before. If it was 10 or 15 years ago. And I wanted to get out here before all the people got out here, because apparently this is one of the most popular trails near Gatlinburg. I'm not far from the Sugar Lands Welcome Center, and thought I'd get out to the falls and get back. I don't have much gear. All I've got is my little day pack and a jacket. So I'm ill prepared, but I get to see that. So this is super exciting. All right, well, I'll see you up the trail, but I've got a little thing that I'd like to do that I've been thinking about. I wanted to talk to you about music. I'm a music buff. I love all kinds of music, mostly 80s and 90s and even 70s music. Yeah, that should tell my age. But anyway, I listen to a lot of music on the trail, and sometimes the music just seems to sync up with the environment. I know that for the purist out there, a lot of people say, don't listen to music on the trail. Take your headbuds out or earphones out and just enjoy nature, the nature sounds. And I respect that, and I do a lot of times. But there are some times where I just need a little boost. And so I'll play some music that I really like just to get that boost. So I'm going to talk to you, I know this is weird, about my 10 favorite songs to listen to when I'm on the trail. Why 10? Because I tried to do 5 and I could not cut out some of the list. And I would ask, as I usually do, because I'm interested to know what your favorite songs are to listen, if you're into that, if you listen to music while you're on the trail. So comment below, let me know what your 3 favorite songs, or even 10 if you have them, that you listen to on the trail. Friedrich Nietzsche said that life without music would be a mistake. I've always loved music as a kid. Thought it's the greatest thing ever. So I think about that quote. All right, another quote that I found about music is by Plato. Plato said that music gives a soul to the universe, gives wings to the mind, and flight to the imagination, and life to everything. That's a quote from Plato. One more quote. I had to write it down because I know I wouldn't remember it. Albert Einstein said this about music. He said, if I were not a physicist, yeah, try saying that at 29 degrees. Physicist. I would probably be a musician. He said, I often think in music. He said, I live my daydreams in music. Isn't that cool? And he said, I see my life in terms of music. Oh, there's a crow. Isn't that cool? Take a look at this crow. I know this is a very subjective list, and I know that based on your age and generation, you will have a completely different list. So I simply love these bands and these songs. Put down below whatever band or song that you like. It makes no difference to me. I love music of all kinds. But you're obviously going to see my generation by what I say down below. All right, here they are. Top 10 favorite bands to listen to while hiking. Number 1, anything from Need to Breathe. Need to Breathe, I think, is from the Carolina areas. It's two brothers in the band. I absolutely love their music. I love their voices together, their harmony. And I think number 2, all-time favorite songs / band to listen to while hiking. The LUMINEERS. There is just something so cool and folksy about the LUMINEERS that I absolutely love their music. I love the simplicity of it, the songs about different people, their lyrics. Absolutely love them. So it always picks me up when I'm hiking at the end of the day and I need something to pick me up. Number 4 in my list of all-time favorite bands or songs. Number 4 would be Van Halen. Especially the song Summer Nights. Basically any Van Halen song. I don't care if it's Sammy Hagar or David Lee Roth. Love them both. I know that's controversial too for those of you who are Van Halen fans. Number 5, another one of my favorite bands to listen to is The Who. For all of you UK viewers out there, I've got several subscribers from the UK, from different areas. I love watching your videos, and I love seeing the different topography that I've never seen before, because I've never been over to England, Scotland, or Ireland. Beautiful places over there. Love watching your videos. So I had to add a band from the UK, The Who. Love the song Eminence Front. There's something about the groove of that song that absolutely just kills me. I love it. All right. Number 6, favorite bands to listen to or songs. For me, just personally, subjectively, Def Leppard. Another band from the UK. Love Def Leppard. Love the whole album of Hysteria. I think I could listen to it on a loop for 48 hours. There she is. There's the sunrise. All right. That brings us to number 8 with the sunrise. The Zac Brown Band. Again, one of my favorite bands. Their lyrics are so full of a southern charm and adjectives, I guess. Love their songs. Love the Chicken Fried song. Great song. All right, I guess that gets us to number 9, AC/DC. Thunderstruck, for those about to rock. Man, those are some awesome songs. And they will really pump you up at the end of the day when you're hiking. Well, I guess this is about the end of the hike. I've made it as far up as I can go so that I can get back down and catch a ride back to the hotel. So I'll leave you with my last number 10 on the list. We lost him last year. Very sad. He's such a great songwriter. I loved him in the 80s. Running Down a Dream. Number 10 on the list would be Tom Petty. Absolutely love Tom Petty. That is the end of my top 10 list. Very subjective. I bet every one of you would have a different list with all different genres of music. And I love every type of music. I'm just kind of a rock buff. What was your first concert that you ever went to? For me, it was the band Kansas. Dust in the Wind. Oh man, such a great concert. So comment below, what was your first band that you went to see a concert? If you made it this far in the video, if I haven't bored you to death. All right guys, that will wrap it up for another episode of As the Crow Flies Hiking. I hope you enjoyed my top 10 list. And I hope you will comment below and tell me what was your favorite 3, 5, even 10 favorite bands to listen to while hiking. Also, if you would comment and let me know what was the first band that you saw in concert. Mine was Kansas, circa 1986. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you find any value to it, I hope you'll subscribe for the next episode that'll come up soon. Appreciate everybody for watching. Talk to you later.